Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a super dramatic smoky black eye with shimmery purple glitter. This is a bold, glamorous look that's perfect for a night out. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using a gray eyeshadow and a fluffy brush. I'm applying 3 dots of this shadow onto my eyelid and then using a sweeping motion to blend the shadow all the way up to fully cover my entire lid. This gray shadow is serving as the base, so make sure to blend it out really well to ensure there are no harsh lines. You want a seamless, diffused effect across the whole lid. Using a flat brush, apply the same eyeshadow to your lower lash line. Start from the outer corner and blend the shadow inward. Extend it about halfway along the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow that is commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes. Using the same fluffy brush or a blending brush, I'm going to apply this black shadow just to the outer corner of my eyelid. As you know, blending out black shadow can be a bit tricky, so I'm going to build it up gradually and blend it out carefully. I had also previously dampened my brush a bit, which caused the black shadow to apply a bit more intensely and boldly. This helps avoid having to layer on too much black shadow, which can make blending more difficult. So I will slowly build up the black shadow in the outer corner, blending it as I go to diffuse the edges and create a seamless transition. Again, with a small flat brush, I applied a black eyeshadow to my lower lash line, following the same process as before. Start from the outer corner and easily extend the shadow exactly halfway along the lower lash line. Next, I use a purple powder glitter. With my finger, I apply the glitter precisely to the middle of my eyelid. To apply the glitter, you can first use a glitter glue on your eyelid so the glitter sticks perfectly, or you can use a damp brush for this purpose. You can also use glitter eyeshadows, which will make the process easier. I also use a white powder glitter on my lower lash line. Be sure to try this technique, I'm sure you will love it. This eye makeup look is very easy and practical. We will complete the eye makeup with a winged eyeliner. It's that simple, just follow along with me step by step to do this eye makeup look. If you've watched my videos, you will see that I usually extend my eyeliner line only halfway across my eyelid, as this suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can extend the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner of your eye depending on your personal preference. I also fill in the area at the beginning of my lower lash line where the eyeshadow has not been applied with eyeliner. This step can be optional. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please hit the like button and leave your comments down below. If you're interested in makeup and beauty, I've posted a variety of makeup looks on my channel and a new tutorial video is uploaded every week, so be sure to check out my channel and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!